Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. EUR USD forecast. Wait and see ahead of FOMC S-minutes analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID 34802F8192021 PM EUR USD Current price January 1932. The EU inflation contracted in July, although the annual figure remained stable. The US Federal Reserve will release the minutes of its latest meeting. EUR USD is losing bullish potential but far from signaling an upcoming slide. The EUR USD pair is stuck around the January 1930 level, having spent the day confined to a tight range. The dollar has paired its decline, but it's struggling to attract investors, replicating equity saw behavior, with European indexes also hovering around their opening levels. NBSP comments from Democrat House Leader, Nancy Pelosi, looking for common ground with Republicans to activate the coronavirus aid package had a limited impact on currencies ahead of the FOMC meeting S-minutes. The U.S. Federal Reserve is set to release the document later today, and while speculative interest does not expect big surprises, it adopted the usual wait-and-see stance. If anything, things policymakers acknowledged the situation remains the same. NBSP as improving inflation and employment data is being overshadowed by the fast spread of the coronavirus in the country, which limits the economic comeback. Other than that, the EU released its June current account, which came in at a 20.69b better than the previous a 7.95b. The Union also published July inflation, with the monthly CPI down to 0.4% from 0.3% in the previous month. The annual figure, however, came in as expected at 0.4%, while the core annual CPI hit 1.2%, as expected. EUR USD short-term technical outlook. The EUR USD pair is consolidating near its year high, holding on to gains although losing bullish momentum in the short term. The 4-hour chart shows that it keeps developing above firmly bullish moving averages, but also that technical indicators ease from highs, holding well into positive levels. The bearish potential is quite limited given the dollar's broad weakness, yet a corrective slide could take place on a break below the 1.1870 support level. NBSP support levels January 1910 1.1870 1.1830 resistance levels January 1950 January 1995 January 2040 View live chart for the EUR USD. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.